Take a look at this logo. How do you think it's made? Think you can figure it out? Let's give it a try. So first thought, maybe we could just draw a rectangle, tilt it to match the logo's angle, and keep tweaking the size until it fits. Then just duplicate it and build the logo. Easy, right? Well, nope, that's not gonna work. Okay, plan B. Let's grab the pen tool and try drawing it point by point at each corner. We just plot the points, connect the dots, and voila, logo done. But wait, nah, that's not it either. All right, time for the real deal. Here's how we actually do it. First up, grab the rectangle tool. Hold down Shift, click and drag to create a perfect square. Now let's rotate that square by 45 degrees. Hold Shift again while rotating so it snaps right into place. Now we place this square over the logo and adjust its size until it fits perfectly. See? It's all about those little tweaks. Next, select that square, head over to Object, Path, Split into Grid. Click Preview to see how it looks. We're going to add enough rows and columns until each line of the logo is perfectly aligned with a grid line. With the grid in place, we've got a bunch of squares over our logo. Here comes the magic part. Select all the squares and switch to the Shape Builder tool. Now carefully drag over the parts of the squares that match the logo's lines. You're literally building the logo right here, piece by piece. Once the logo shape is fully formed with the Shape Builder tool, it's time to clean up. Cut the logo shapes with Ctrl+X, select everything else and delete the excess. Then hit Ctrl+F to paste the logo back in front. And just like that, the logo is complete. Thank you for watching.